If you're seeing a profile error occurred issue in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly. This error is often caused by a temporary Chrome glitch, a sync issue, corrupted cache files, or even an outdated browser version. The good news is, you can usually fix it without reinstalling Chrome or losing everything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into the first fix. First, completely close Google Chrome. Don't just minimize it, make sure the browser is fully shut down, then reopen Chrome and see if the profile error is gone. Sometimes a quick restart is enough because Chrome profile sync glitches can be temporary. If the problem is still there, the next step is to restart your computer. Click the Start menu, go to Power, and choose Restart. This refreshes Windows and clears background Chrome processes that may be causing the issue. After your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and check whether the error is fixed. If it's still happening, try signing out of Chrome and signing back in. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Sign Out. After that, close Chrome completely, reopen it, and sign back into your Google account. Sync problems are one of the most common reasons Chrome profile errors appear, so this step can make a big difference. Now let's move on to clearing the browser cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Corrupted browser data can sometimes damage Chrome profiles or prevent them from loading properly, so clearing this out often fixes the issue. If the error still appears after that, you should check whether Google Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it right away. Older versions of Chrome can contain bugs that lead to profile errors, so keeping the browser updated is an important final step. Once the update is complete, restart Chrome and test it again. In most cases, one of these methods will solve the profile error occurred issue and get Chrome working normally again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.